My grandma will always stir fry something simple for lunch. The 7-year-old me would jump off the school bus, run into the house, and be greeted by a bowl of stir-fried Mee Tai Bak. If you grew up in Southeast Asia, you'll probably have a similar experience. As an adult, I don't really eat Mee Tai Bak that much nowadays. But by recreating my grandma's recipe, it brought back a lot of fond memories. In this video, I'll show you how to bring back those memories. Here's what you need to stir-fry Mee Tai Bak. Mee Tai Bak itself, or lo sui fan. If you don't have this, you can substitute it with any type of rice noodles. Minced pork, bean sprouts, spring onions, separated into its white and green parts, eggs, red chili. This is optional. It's more for aesthetics as the red color brightens up the dish. Let's prepare the sauce. In some stock or water, combine oyster sauce, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine, few dashes of white pepper, salt, and sugar. To cook, heat up your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, put in the oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the white parts of the spring onions. Fry this till they are fragrant. Next, add in the minced pork. Break up the minced pork as you fry them. When the pork turns white, push it all aside. If your pan is too dry, you can add a little bit more oil here. Crack in 2 eggs. And scramble them a little. Now add in the Mee Tai Bak. You see the brown bits at the bottom of the pan? That's fond and that's flavor. If it's black, it's burnt and it's bitter. In Western cooking, when you fry any protein like chicken or fish, there will always be some fond at the bottom of the pan. This fond is the foundation for pan sauces. We will use the same deglazing technique to incorporate the flavor back into our stir-fry noodles. Add in the sauce. Stir-fry this gently as the sauce comes to a boil. Deglaze the pan by gently removing the fond from the bottom of the pan as the sauce boils. Try to remove all the fond at the bottom of the pan till the pan is clear. Add in the bean sprouts, chilies, and spring onions. Fry them for about a minute, and we are done. This is stir-fry Mee Tai Bak or lo sui fan.